Morning, grade 7s. The long-awaited algebra that you've been waiting for since last year that looks so difficult, but believe it or not, you've been doing it for years. Algebra means that we are replacing our placeholder with a letter. So since grade 1, you've been doing sums like this. 5 plus placeholder equals 6. So what algebra does is this. 5 plus x equals 6. So they've replaced the placeholder that we're so used to using with a letter. And then obviously the question would be, what is x? So once you've figured out x, you've figured out the algebraic equation. Let's start off with algebraic expressions. These are equations because they have an equals sign. They finish off the equation. We're going to first look at expressions, and expressions do not have an equals sign. So it is writing the number sentence but not working it out, not getting an answer. So we're going to look at the following sentences, and we're going to put them into a number sentence or an algebraic expression. So the first one says the sum of A and B. Now you know that sum means plus, and we do it in the order that it appears. The A is first, then the B. So the sum of A and B will be written as A plus B, and that's how you leave it when you are only asked for an expression. Let's look at the second one. It says add 5 to x. X plus 5. Let's look at the third one. Y more than 55. So more than is also plus. So it's 55 plus y. Next one. 40 divided by a number. Well, we don't know what that number is. That's our placeholder. But remember, we're going to replace it with a letter. So you've got 40 divided by, and we will call a number x. 17 decreased by a number. Decrease is minus. So 17 decreased by a number, which we will call x. And it's as simple as that. Remember, expressions do not have equal signs. They are just asking you for the expression, not the equation. Let's look at how else algebra looks. My first column is my x column, and I want to work out the output. So, if x is 63, and this is my rule, I will replace the x with the 63. So it will be 63 divided by 7, which is 9. Let's look at the next block. The top row are my x values. So if I want x to be 2, I replace x times 3 with a 2. So it will be 2 times 3, which is 6. If I want x to be 10, it will be 10 times by 3, which is 30. So all algebra really is replacing space holders with a letter, or replacing a letter with a number.